Fabian or a coach at the Legon cities. Well, I come in, I say, coach, anyway, Matway.
Yeah.
Wow. A way to win. Then, and I'll catch the boys, you know. Kenya one Legon cities after say 7 games, Mukida 2 points, no. And Mutimia Shek Kumasi Asante Kotoko unbeaten. Now, Egusu Aye.
I'm saying, because it's a work in progress. You're completely new to my air building. I better take time to and I start a journey. The catch almost a money first match in starting. Say, a fruit ladder. I'm saying, I'm going to super. Now, I'm going to my share.
Coach, na game Lankasa, who is saying?
It was a very good game for Ghana football. Kotoko played well, we played well. And then
Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun. Doc, your first defeat this season.
Yeah, we saw it. We played well. We were just not lucky.
You think you were not lucky?
Yeah, I think so.
Or don't you think Pakwesi Fabian tactically, looking at the matches they played so far, they changed their style today?
I don't think so. I think what they did, basically the ball was in their half. We were just not lucky. That's what I want to say.
Okay, so what will you say caused the defeat today?
I think we didn't start the game very well. The first half, we didn't, in terms of our structure, we didn't actually do well within the structure. So I think the second half substitutions made us better and then kept putting the pressure on them. I think it was there. Are
you disappointed with the results? You got an equalizer, then they came back strongly.
Yeah, if you look at the turn of events in the second half, I would say I'm not happy.
Your next game, another difficult game against Pandrat of Lions in Obuasi this weekend. What should we expect? Thank you very much, Doctor. Okay, so that's the head coach for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun is the head coach. I have the man of the match from Legon Cities here with me. Congratulations, chap.
Thank you very much.
And how are you feeling now?
It's a great feeling. It's a great being able to win this day.
Scoring your first goal at home this season, winning your first game at home this season, and no team than Kumasi Asante Kotoko. What are you guys doing? I can see you guys are so excited, especially beating Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Because you can see from the start of the season, we've not won any match. And being able to win this big game, I think you can see the atmosphere. Everyone is very happy and excited. And I think this win will motivate us going forward to our next game so that we can win and also climb to the top of the league.
Next game is against Young Apostles. What are you telling the Legon Cities fans?
We can see this a turnaround for us since we are able to win at home. Our next game is also here on Monday, and we can assure the fans we are also going to win this game.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
All right, so that's the man of the match. Live at the University of Ghana, sponsored